At the pet store. Oh, what a beautiful cat. What do you think? I think I'd rather get a dog. Dogs are more loyal than cats. Yes, but there's so much work. Would you be willing to walk it every single day and clean up after it? Good point. What about a bird or a fish? We'd have to invest a lot of money in a cage or a fish tank, and I don't really know how to take care of a bird or fish. Well, we're obviously not ready to get a pet yet. Yeah, you're right. Let's go grab some coffee and talk about it. Good point. Here means I agree with you. Giving your opinion. Where should we take a vacation this year? Let's decide soon. Well, I'd like to go somewhere warm. How about the beach? Or we could rent a cabin on the lake. You want to go to the beach again? I want to ski this winter. How about a compromise? What about traveling to the Alps in Europe next April? We can find a ski resort on a lake. Oh, we've never been to Europe before, but I don't know if it will be sunny and warm then. I need to do some research first. That will help me make up my mind. Make up someone's mind. To make a decision or to decide.